What's up, everybody? It's Raphael here. Today's video is going to be on the update coming up 0.7.3. As we mentioned, we're going to be doing a rescue update, but this is kind of just an update of us wrapping up some things with fire, as well as just implementing a lot of new stuff that is going to be essential for this rescue update. So I'm going to take you sort of a walk through some of the new things you'll be seeing in 0.7.3. So I know I've been quiet on some of the platforms, such as the official Facebook page and Steam, but if you follow our EmergeNYC community Facebook page, as well as you follow the Discord, there's a lot of behind the scenes, like, exclusive things that you get to see. If you're on the staging branch on Steam as well, we've been putting out some early builds of 0.7.3 for people to play. I haven't really been promoting it that much because I didn't feel like it was certainly ready for staging, but I want you guys to, always be able to access the latest stuff, whether it works 100% or is broken or whatnot. But so we'll go ahead and get started. The main thing I added was plenty of new vehicles, guys. So I'm talking like new stuff, like stuff we haven't done before. We've added like 5 or 6 or 7 new fire trucks, 2 helicopters, 2 boats, like things that we didn't have before. So let me go over the most exciting things, which is the helicopters and the boats first, and I'll sort of walk you guys through each new vehicle and the basics. So let me lighten up the date a little bit. So for the rescue update, we're planning the concept and whatnot, and we basically decided to, if you're going to do a rescue update, you got water rescues, high angle rescues, bridge rescues, jumpers, subway rescues, all this stuff. So you're going to need the equipment and the units. So we considered water rescues first. Okay, so what do we need water rescue? We need NYPD Harbor, we need marine units, we need the rescue boat to work, all that kind of stuff. So the boat on the rescue works, as well as you have a marine unit. So we'll start with the first helicopter. So this is one of the 2 helicopters that you have. Now these are, I believe these are more detailed than a lot of the fire trucks are. So you can open up all the doors just like the trucks we have inside. You can see when you rotate the controls and the joystick, they move around. You've got screens, you've got all kinds of goodies in this helicopter. You've also got a spotlight that works, and eventually we want to incorporate the little thermal camera they have for searching for people, whether it's a criminal or a person in the water or something. So the basic controls are on this side of the screen. You got to start the helicopter, which I'll do now. Ascend, descend. So we'll go on a quick flight. I'm going to turn it to nighttime because one thing we've added and worked on was night environment and the overall look at night. So we'll show you some of how that looks now. It's not too much crazy stuff, but it looks a lot better. And then I'll go ahead and show you the second helicopter. I'll go ahead and turn on my view distance here so you can see some of the new things we've added. So you can see we added the bridges into another borough. We got the Brooklyn Bridge, the Williamsburg Bridge, Queensborough. George Washington Bridge is very much on the other side. It's kind of laggy because I'm in the city right now, but you can really see how much better the city looks like. like that, guys. Got the Statue of Liberty over there. But yeah, you can really see how the way we're taking this game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the other helicopter now. And we can do maybe a baseline site. But I have to now. Okay guys, so here's our other helicopter. Now if you were in the staging branch and saw some of the early pictures of the helicopter that we added in, it was the same model. However, we wanted to change and update the livery from the old NYPD Air Sea and Rescue to the current one. They both have the same livery. It also has an interior now, and the doors can open as well, just like the other one. And these helicopters are very, very detailed, to say the least. Like I said, you can move around the joysticks when you fly it, move around the elevator trim. So we'll go ahead and take this one for a flight over the water. As for adding more helicopters, we might in the future, but these are the basics. It adds a whole new dynamic to the game. So let's say we have a water rescue, we can have our marine units there, we can call it NYPD Harbor, search for the person from above. Alright, so we've got Marine 8 here. Marine 8 is a FDNY Marine unit. As you know, Marine 1 has a huge boat, but we don't feel like that is necessary for right now, at least. But we do want to, you know, give you guys something you can use and something that is has a purpose. So these boats can head pretty quickly through the water if there's a person in the water, or a boat in distress, or a plane in the water, whatever it is. You know, you can get a unit out there quickly. It would take Rescue 9 a while to get to the coast and then deploy their boat and you know, get people in the water, but Marine units can make it out there pretty quickly, maybe even quicker than the air unit. So you can see I'm turning it to nighttime. One cool thing is you can spray the nozzle on the boat. If there's a boat on fire, or if you've got a fire on a bridge or something, whatever the reason is, you can use it. So another thing is you have your fog lights. You can aim the spotlight wherever you need it to aim. So all of these deck guns will be individually controllable once you can get your character on the boat. But for right now, we're still working on that. So the boat doesn't have too much purpose until the rescue update, but you can drive it around and have fun with it if you want. It's always an option. So I'll show you guys the NYPD unit now, and we'll move on to the spare trucks after that. So here's your NYPD boat. Same concept. You've got your spotlights, and it can do the same as the fireboat, except it doesn't have any extinguishing options. So, however, it is a little bit quicker than the FDNY boat for if you need to get a unit out there ASAP. So it's smaller and it's just more agile. So once again, you guys can go on the staging branch right now and try this stuff out. The 0.7.3 update is going to come pretty soon, definitely this month. We're just wrapping up some of the RTS features that we've added in, which is like sort of like a emergency 4 style gameplay where you can select characters and you can select characters and you can you know, individually tell them where to go or go as a group, just like you can with the vehicles now. You'll be able to control the firefighters. So when you spawn a truck, the firefighters will spawn with that truck, and they will also get in the truck, get out of the truck, you know, do their duties as a firefighter. So that gives you more time to focus on your one character or the company or however you see some of the detail inside some of these trucks. Pretty nice. Last but not least, you'll notice on all the bridge entrances there's some construction going on. I'm going to go ahead and confirm the rumor going around that there will be another borough getting added. This borough is going to be a mix of Queens and Brooklyn. It's not #1 on our priority list, but we have started working on it. The main goal for this map is just to be as completely different from this map as possible. Like no more high-rise. We're going to have suburb houses. We're going to have brownstones. We're going to have taxpayers. We're going to have all kinds of buildings that you wouldn't find in Manhattan, but you would find in Brooklyn and Queens. We're going to have a huge industrial area, different warehouses, and all that kind of stuff. So that'll give a whole other environment to the map. Now I don't know if we're going to do them on the same actual scene, or if you'll be able to drive between them. One of the main goals for the new map is to give a much more optimized performance and gameplay to another person who would rather want to play on that map than on here, because our main mistake when making this map was just not taking into consideration how some lower NPCs would run it. So the main goal for the new map is just to make it just run better overall. So just if you guys want to play this build that I'm playing right now is on the staging branch. Go check it out. I'm going to be doing another video pretty soon explaining the RTS stuff, because we've already got that in place. The whole new UI system that you see here is going to contain all that new RTS gameplay stuff. So a whole new way to play this game is coming soon, and we hope you guys are excited. My name is Raf. Take care. Bye-bye.